All right, let's dive into a system for building wealth from Ramit Sethi. And here's the thing you need to know right away. This isn't about the painful stuff. No clipping coupons, no feeling bad about buying a coffee. This is all about creating a system that builds wealth for you on autopilot so you can actually get on with your life. I mean, who isn't, right? Most of the financial advice out there is all about deprivation. It's a long list of things you can't do, stuff you shouldn't buy. And honestly, it's just exhausting. It almost never works in the long run because it's like fighting a battle against yourself every single day. So today, we are going to flip that entire script on its head. And this quote, this is the entire philosophy in a nutshell. Obsessing over a $3 latte is just a total distraction. The real, life-changing money, the big wins, they come from asking those $30,000 questions. Things like, how do I negotiate a higher salary? Or how do I automate my investments so they grow without me thinking about it? So first things first, we have to start with a mental shift. It's about moving away from that constant feeling of scarcity, that little voice in your head that's always saying, I can't afford that. We're moving towards a mindset of abundance. The goal isn't to be cheap. It's to actually sit down and design what your rich life looks like and then build a financial machine that makes it a reality. So what even is a rich life? Look, it's not about private jets or gold-plated everything. It's something much better. It's the absolute freedom to spend a ton of money on the things you genuinely love. Maybe it's travel, maybe it's eating in amazing restaurants, maybe it's a super niche hobby. Whatever it is, you can do it without an ounce of guilt. Because you know for a fact that the important stuff, your investments, your savings, it's all happening automatically. Okay, so how do we actually start this thing? Well, before you can automate, you gotta have the right tools in your toolbox. This is the foundation. We're gonna get your account set up so your money starts working for you for a change instead of the other way around. And check this out. This is one of the easiest $30,000 wins you will ever find. Just look at the difference here. Big traditional banks are paying you basically nothing in interest, while charging you fees for the privilege. Meanwhile, online banks often have zero fees and pay you like 40 or 50 times more in interest. This is literally free money you're letting your old bank keep. Next up, credit cards. They can be an incredible tool for getting rewards, or they can be a complete debt trap. The number one rule, the only rule that really matters, is this. You must pay your balance in full every single month. No exceptions. Treat it like a debit card. That way you get all the awesome points and cash back without ever paying a penny in that horrible, crippling interest. All right, now that we have the right tools, it's time to build the engine. This is the part of the system that's actually going to grow your wealth. We're going to create a simple plan for where your money goes and then put it to work. Now, notice, we're not calling this a budget. It's a conscious spending plan. It's way more powerful. You're just telling your money where to go ahead of time. So yeah, you've got your fixed costs, like rent and utilities, then a chunk automatically goes to your long-term investments, and another piece goes to your short-term savings goals. But look at that last category. Yep, you're seeing that right. A full 20 to 35% of your take-home pay is specifically set aside for you to spend on absolutely anything you want, 100% guilt-free. This is the secret ingredient. This is what makes the system feel good and makes you actually stick with it. You get to enjoy your life now, not just in some far-off retirement. Okay, let's talk about the investing part. And let's be super clear about this. You do not need to be a Wall Street genius. You do not need to try and pick the next big stock. For most of us, that's just a gambling game. The real secret to building wealth through investing is so much simpler. It's boring old consistency. And the best tool for that consistency is the index fund. It is just brilliant. Instead of betting all your money on one single company, you're buying a tiny slice of the entire stock market. Hundreds, even thousands of companies at once. It's instantly diversified, super low cost, and over the long run, it has historically performed incredibly well. So what does a good portfolio actually look like? Well, you might be expecting something really complicated, but it can be this simple. The vast majority in a big US market index fund, a little bit for international markets to spread things out, and a small slice in bonds for some stability. That's it. You set it up, and then you just keep adding to it month after month. And now we get to the final step, the magic ingredient that makes this whole thing feel completely effortless. We are going to automate everything. This is how you make sure your plan actually happens without ever having to rely on willpower or discipline. And this is the whole beautiful system in action. Just picture it. Your paycheck hits your account, but before you even wake up that morning, money is already on the move. An automatic transfer zips over to your retirement accounts. Another one goes to your high-yield savings. The system pays your future self first. And then the money that's left over in your checking account, that is your guilt-free spending money. Simple as that. And you see why this is so much better, right? You're not waking up every morning trying to decide if you should save or if you should spend. The decision is already made. It's done. The system just runs quietly in the background, building your wealth while you go about your day. So let's put this all together. Once you build this financial machine and it's up and running, what's the results? What does it actually feel like to live this way? The payoff is huge. Your financial system is on autopilot, just humming along. Spending money on things you love is now the default, not a source of anxiety. And maybe most importantly, because you're not wasting all that brain power on those tiny $3 questions anymore, you finally have the mental space to focus on the big stuff, like attacking high-interest debt, getting that raise at work, or figuring out how to earn more money. That's how you really accelerate your wealth. So I want to leave you with this one question. If you knew for a fact that your investments and your savings were 100% taken care of, automatically, what would you do with your money? What does your rich life actually look like? That answer? Well, that's your personal mission. And this system we just walked through, that's the blueprint to go and build it.